Welcome to our campaign management system application. This application we have developed for a proof of concept. So in this application, we have integrated AI agents to automate the flow of campaign management. Before we get into this application, let me give a scenario of where we can use this application. So let's say you have I mean details of customers and you have a campaigns and you want to send campaigns for all those customers, but the thing is you have to validate who are all the customers who are eligible for this campaign, and you have to specifically want to send them and send the campaign to them. So these flow, we automate these flow in using AI agents. So let me walk through this example. Here, upload Excel. So in this page, you have to upload the Excel of, CSV of leads. Here you can see we have uploaded the CSV. The CSVs look like this. I can show you that. For demo purpose, we have used like small number of leads list. Here I have phone numbers and we have emails and we have outstanding dues and source all those details. So this is our sample leads, and once we upload the leads, it will upload it to our database, and then here in the campaign setup, you come and click a new campaign to create a new campaign. So the campaign ID is generated and you want to name the campaign, right? Let's say have for demo area and name the campaign name is demo and campaign description. So in this campaign description, here only we mean we set the description that is taken by the AI agents and process of the CSV leads and all those things. Here I'm writing like send email about the campaign with 30 seconds interval, then send WhatsApp and send SMS. The eligibility of customer with outstanding dues more than 100. So uh, what it basically does is here we saw the lead has outstanding dues, and for this campaign the outstanding due must be more than 100 to eligible for this campaign. So in our case the first two leads are eligible, so these eligibility and all those campaign details will be uh, campaign details and eligibility are not done by the systems. All those filtering and tool calling will be done by AI agents. So here I'm setting a start date and setting an end date of how the campaign gonna start and when it will going to end. Then I click save. Here you can see the campaign ID 1 is created. Now you can run the campaign. So it's run. So when I click run, the background AI agents uh, gonna trigger. So it will create a flowchart like this of how this campaign is going to execute. Here you can see. Here you can see the campaign. After the campaign is started, we uploaded the leads in CSV manner. Then the multi-channel communication is activated. First is send email, interval of 30 seconds. So Before this process, our AI agents gonna check each leads that whether the leads is eligible for this campaign or not. So, and it saves in another table like, so this is lead ID. Each ID represents a lead record. So ID 1 is valid, meets outstanding due of more than 100. Lead 2 is valid, meets outstanding due of more than 100. But lead 3 is invalid, outstanding due is 50, is not more than 100. So it is invalid. So this validation is not done by programming, this is done by AI agents. Here you can see the third record is 50, not more than 100. So it, it changed the status as invalid. Now, now as per the condition, it's gonna send email with 30 seconds of interval. So here you can see executing campaign is 50 step, executing campaign workflow setup. So in the background, the we have used MailChimp for emails. I mean, email campaign. Here you can see 2 out of 2 steps is communication, successful communications. And for the first send email, we receive email like this. Yeah, here you can see this is how the email is going to send valid leads only. So it refused to send emails for invalid leads, and it only going to send the campaign details for the valid leads only. And the next step is, so the next step is send WhatsApp. So what it basically does is it takes the mobile number of the valid leads. It's going to take the mobile number of valid leads, and through our WhatsApp communication API, it's going to send WhatsApp SMS like this. So this is our demo messages. We can customize these messages and send our campaign details to the valid customers. So this is also done by a agent. Uh, None of this workflow is configured in our code. It all done by AI agents. Next, we have SMS. We have SMS, and SMS is also done by AI agents, and it's going to look like this. So this is this is a template SMS. So we can modify these SMS as per our campaign needs, and we can insert campaign details for those customers. So let's see what this. Yeah, so campaign is 100% completed, and the workflow is completed successful. Here, it's bit of it's more of like technical. Here you can Here you can see the responses. Here you can see the responses of how the email is sent. Status is true and successful. And we can see for all these things. We can see it for WhatsApp, and we can see it for SMS. So this is like a status confirmation of how the tool and all those work. So this is also recorded. We can display it over here. And in this page, we can configure APIs like email API and SMS API and WhatsApp API and all those things. So this is our basic intro of campaign management system. This this workflow is completely automated using AI agents. So you just have to give like a natural language instruction to LLM, like like this. Send email about the campaign. You can describe the campaign of like like loan management campaign or scholarship campaign for the leads, and you can set the interval between these uh, communications, like send email and wait for 2 days, and if responded, yeah, if, and you can do all those things. You can set eligibility, you can filter eligibility using natural language. Here I just give eligibility of the customer is outstanding dues more than 100. So this is where I give the eligibility. We didn't use anything inside the code to clear the eligibility. So these workflow is done all by AI agents. This is how our campaign management works. And thank you.